Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about the people of Austria and 24 life lessons they actually believe in. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy. Number one, skiing is a way of life, so is appreciating the Alps. Architecture should inspire. History belongs in every street. Music is timeless. They still play Mozart, okay? Nature deserves respect. Mountains demand it there. Quality over speed, good things take time. Silence is golden. Not every space needs noise. Punctuality is a virtue. Being late is being rude. Public transport should work on time every time. Coffee is just not coffee. It's a ritual for all of them. Rules create freedom and makes life more smoother. Tradition and progress can coexist. Both have value. A meal should be unhurried. Enjoy every bite with the family. A handshake should be firm. Respect is in the details. Clean streets, clear minds, tidy spaces. A good reputation is priceless. Guard it well. Less is more. Simplicity is sophistication. Work hard, but don't rush. Efficiency beats busyness. Hospitality is quiet warmth. No need for extravagance, okay? Walking clears the mind. Cars are overrated. Balance is the key between work and life. It's of paramount importance there, work-life balance. Every problem has a solution. Precision actually helps. The past is a teacher. That's for all of us. Learn it from it. And a good cake deserves time, and with a good conversation, of course. Austria is actually pure grace. Hope you like.